Hello, I'm Maya,
I'm Paul.
I'm Raul.
I'm Lainer.
and we are Group 1 GIA, the Greenhouse Environmental Analyzer, and this is our demo video.
Alrighty. So we want to measure white light intensity, the ratio of blue-red light because those are important for photosynthesis, and we're measuring CO2, temperature, and humidity because greenhouses are cool. Anyway, here we go. This is just a fiber collimating light. We have the holder right here. There's a lens right here that's acting as a collimator because we found that this light spread out way too quickly, and these lenses were missing that. So essentially, this part's the sun. This lens right here is collecting the light, so this is our collector lens. This lens collimates the light back into a beam, and this is a beam splitter, which will send the light in two different directions. So in this direction, there will be the white light sensor, which is going to measure the white light intensity, and this way is where we're going to measure the blue and red light.
Alright, so my part of the project is the spectrometer portion. So for the light that is transmitted through the beam splitter, it then hits a diffraction grating. Currently we are using one from the lab that is about 1200 lines per millimeter. From our calculations, which you can find on our document, we want one that is 1800 lines per millimeter, as you can see on this slit here. And we are using the slit to sort of separate the red light. As we said, we want to get the ratio of red and blue light. Right now we are only showing us getting the red. So then it hits this, which is another lens, and then it is focused onto the photodiode back here, if you could zoom in on that. So it is in a 3D printed housing right now, sort of holding it, because it needed to be really close to the lens.
So this is our microcontroller. We're gonna use a different version that is a sit-down version, which is the Woodrom NARA, which have a Wi-Fi antenna and Bluetooth antenna embedded. For now we're using just the deviation board. This is the CO2 sensor. It's a Adafruit sensor, and this is the light sensor. It's a smartphone sensors. So we're gonna have 3 more light sensors. Here in the serial monitor, we can see that we are reading temperature, CO2, logs, that is the light intensity measurement, and we also have all of this connected to a server.
So right now what we can see right now on our server, which is hosted by Heroku, we can see that our server is getting all the API requested that is being sent by the ESP32 board that we have. So this is all the requested. So we could also show that we have a working app. I'm gonna log in right now. So when we go to our app, we go to get readings, and then we're actually getting the actual reading for the sensor. Okay, so in the app you can see the logs value right here. So if you hit refresh, it'll change, and we will change the light intensity. We hit refresh again, and it will change.
1, 2, 3.